So by now you also might have received multiple Black Friday sale messages on WhatsApp from multiple brands. And I know you must be wondering, how is this possible? So in this video I'll show you how you can also send Black Friday sale WhatsApp messages to all your clients, customers or leads, and that too in a single click. So grab your laptops and follow me. So to do this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Now you have two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, click on this sign in, but if you are a new user, you are going to click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send 100 of WhatsApp messages for free for Black Friday sale. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to click on this sign up for free and sign up inside Pabbly Chatflow. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this sign in. Once we click on this sign in, it is going to open all Pabbly apps. So go on this Pabbly Chatflow and click on access now. Once you click on access now, automatically the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow will open. And once you open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, over you're going to see the button of add WhatsApp number. So you can click on this button and using this, you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you wish to learn this in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number, so let's move on further and see how we can create this broadcast or this automation using which we're going to send Black Friday sale WhatsApp messages to all our customers. So to do this, first of all, you have to make sure that you go on this contact section and you have a contact list prepared to whom you want to send this message. So as you can see, I want to send this message to all of these I have in this list, which is Black Friday sale list. And if you also want to create a contact list, go on this add contact button, then go on this add bulk contact, then open your Google Sheets in which you have the details of all your contacts to whom you want to send this message. Once you have all the contact details in your sheets, make sure that you add a tag related to same, and using this tag you're going to create this contact list. And what you have to do is you have to download this. You have to go to this file, download, and download this file in CSV format. So once you download this in CSV format, you have to upload the CSV file right over here, and all the contacts in this list will be uploaded in Pabbly Chatflow. Further, you can categorize them with the help of tags. And if you wish to learn more about tags or contact section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of this is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have created a contact list to whom you want to send this message. Second, what you have to make sure, if you want to send template message, make sure that you have already created your template. So as you can see, I have already created this template because I'm going to send template message. So if you want to create a template, then go on this add template button, and from here you can create your template. It is very simple. If you wish to learn in detail how to create this template, we have attached the video related to same in the description box below too. This video is only going to focus on how to send WhatsApp messages, like how to send WhatsApp broadcast for Black Friday sale alerts using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so let's go back towards Pabbly Chatflow, and as you can see, my template and contact list is ready. So now from the left end of the side, go on this broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. After you come on this broadcast, you have to go to this add broadcast. Once you click on this add broadcast, you have to select the broadcast type. So I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign over here. For the broadcast name, enter the name. So let's say I'm just going to enter it as Black Friday sale. And now for the contact list, I'm going to select the contact list to whom I want to send this message. If you wish, you can definitely select multiple contact lists right over here. I'm going to select one only, which is this. Now it is saying select the message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So it totally depends upon you. If you wish to add a regular message, you can type it right over here and you can send this regular message too. But I'm going to use this pre-approved template message because I showed you that I've already created a template right over here. So I'm just going to select the WhatsApp template, which is this Black Friday sale. Now once I selected this, you're going to see it is asking me for the body field 1, and over here it has entered test user. So what is this body field 1? So as you can see in this template, I have this 1 in curly brackets, and I want to replace this 1 with the name of my customer every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my customer receives a personalized WhatsApp message. So as you can see, like this, hey test user. So test user was the name of my customer, so they will feel special if they receive a personalized WhatsApp message, right? So that's the reason that I'm just going to replace this 1 with the name of my customer every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. And how can we do this? For this, we have to use contact custom fields. So to let you know more about this, from the left end of the side, go on this settings and open contact custom fields in a new tab. Once you open this, you're going to see 4 of this right over here. If you haven't created any manually, then you will only see this 4 right over here. So over here you're going to see we have name, mobile number, first name and last name. So what you can do is, if your variable is also name, so you can simply copy this field name of name and paste it in the broadcast section. Alright, so I'm just going to select the template and paste it right over here, and now it is replaced by $full name. So now this $full name is a variable, and this will change with every contact's name when we send this broadcast. Alright, so right now this was for name, but let's say you want to send something else, then what you can do is you can create a contact custom field related to same right over here. You have to go to this add more field button. You can create a contact custom field related to same, copy the field name and paste it there. It totally depends upon you how you want to send the message. So as you can see, I've successfully entered this. Now let's click on this done, and our template is ready. So what we're going to do is we are just going to test this one so that we can check that if the message is correct or not. So to test this, first of all you have to enter your username over here, and then you have to enter the mobile number on which you want to test this. So as you can see, I've entered this. Now I'm going to click on this send test message. Now when I click on this, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received this broadcast message or not. And as you can see, we have successfully received it right over here. And yes, the message is correct, and I can run it further for all of my customers. So let's go back towards this add broadcast, and now what I'm going to do is one by one I'm going to schedule it, or I'm going to send it instantly. I have 2 options: schedule broadcast, schedule for later, or send instantly. If you wish to send it instantly, you can click on this no, send instantly, and then add broadcast. But if you want to schedule it for later, click on this yes, schedule for later, and now you have to enter the date and the time for which you want to schedule this. So you have to keep the format in mind: month, date, year, hours, minutes. You have to keep this in mind while scheduling the broadcast. And if you add the date of something in past, then what is going to happen is it is going to be sent instantly. So you have to make sure that you enter a future date only. So I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. So let's say I'm going to keep the date as 22nd of November 2025, and for the time I'm going to keep it as 12 p.m. over here. So as you can see, I've successfully entered the details. Now I'm going to click on this add broadcast button. Alright, so let's click on this add broadcast button. Once I'm going to click on this add broadcast button, yes, you can see broadcast is created successfully. Over you're going to see that this is the broadcast, this is the template message, and as you can see the date and time of this too. So once this broadcast is going to run, you can also view the stats of this broadcast. So as you can see, I've already sent one broadcast before, so I'm just going to show you the stats of that broadcast. So as you can see, when you're going to click on this view stats, you can view how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. You can check it right over here on the view stats section. So yes, with this you can also send Black Friday sale alerts to all your customers and leads on WhatsApp, and it is very simple, and right now you can try it for free using Pabbly Chatflow. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to this, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. So go and try this amazing automation. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.